Hey folks, welcome back to another live stream at Global Hack Week, Social Good Week. I guess we are already in day six, and I just want to see a lot of highs in the chat. All the people who have hopped in, we are going to have a super amazing time with No Light mini event. I know you were expecting someone else to cover it, but yep, you will have me with this amazing No Light mini event. Okay, there was an echo because I just opened it, but I need to see highs in the chat for all the folks who have hopped in. And do you have any idea about how we play No Light? You can just drop it in the chat. Hey, welcome to the stream. I hope you remember how we played No Light mini event. We are just gonna do it once again today so that you can get a break from your normal hacking time. I hope your problem has been solved at Discord. I've already mentioned it to the team. I guess they will be taking care of it. So there will be someone to assist you, so you do not need to worry around that. And let me see all the other folks who will be hopping in. Oh, you haven't played No Light, so I guess this will be super good for you. Like happening, we will be having a good time playing No Light mini event. I'll just instruct you the rules. So I can I by the time I tell you the rules, I can see all the other folks hopping in. Hey folks, well, thank you so much for dropping by. So, No Light mini event is all about. I will be displaying a website in front of you, and I will be giving you a code editor, right? So, in that code editor, the thing is you need to make a replica of that website using HTML and CSS codes. What we usually do, and the person who will be having like being the most accurate will be chosen. Like we will be displaying all the submissions on the stream. So, yep, this is all we will be doing in No Light. But the exception here is you're not allowed to use any other help from internet apart from taking images. So for example, if I show you an website which has images and you need to put up certain images, uh, the thing is you can only take the help of Google for images download. Like if you want to image copy address, that's it, not more than that. Otherwise you need to like use your brain and write a code about it. So I'll just share the screen. Like, let me first tell you about the code editor that we will be working on today. That will be this, a special No Light code editor. I will be giving you a link of this. Now understand it once again. I'm going to display a website, and you have to write the code here without using any other internet usage. So, for example, when we work with code editors or any other IDE, we usually get an advantage of some pre-written code already given there. Or when we type certain code, for example, if I want to use a tag in HTML, it already recommends it, right? So you're not allowed to use that here. I'm going to share the code editor link in the chat, and I'm going to share the website that you folks need to replicate. So initially, I'll just share. I hope the rules are pretty much clear. It's super simple, uh, super fun. You can say mini event, No Light. I'll be doing it with you folks. So yep, I'll just share the code editor link in the chat, and I'll also prepare the link, like the web page which you folks need to copy. You just need to click on this code editor. So the submissions will be very simple. You will write your code here, and you need to click on this. So when you will click on this, it will ask you that do you want to submit it or do you want to go back at it. So this is how your submission will take place. Remember that every website which I will be sharing, you will be only getting 30 minute, like not 30 minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes at max. It's more like you try to just enjoy the stream. Will like I guess No Light mini event is a favorite for a tons of hackers. It's just the timing, but more importantly, it should like you should be responsible to easily cover it up. So I'll just share the tab which you need to copy, like the website. So I have shared the code editor link, I have shared the website link. You guys need to make a replica of google.com, as simple as that. You just I have shared the code editor link, just write the code. You will have 10 minutes from now. You will get 10 minutes from now, and let's see who can actually make an accurate one. Hey Shu, welcome to the stream. Good to see folks back. I hope you are well aware of No Light mini event. So make sure, like I have already shared the code editor link in the chat, and I've also shared the website which you need to replicate it. So, like if you don't know the rules, I'll just explain it once again. I have shared a code editor link in the chat, and I'm displaying a website, right? So in that particular code editor link, you need to write certain code so that the website that is displaying on the like your screen should be replica of it. But the rules here is you're not allowed to use Google, you're not allowed to use any other help from any other IDE. As simple as that. Hey Shashank, this is just a simple mini event around No Light. I know you folks might be super busy attending session, like completing challenges. This is just a break event. We are playing No Light. I shared a code editor link. I'm displaying a website. In that particular code editor link, you folks need to just write the code so that you can make the replica of the website which I am presenting. But you will not be taking any other help from Google except from taking images. As simple as that. So I'll just share the link once again, the code editor link, and you should copy, like you should make the Google web page. And I'll like you have 10 minutes from now. I'll just see how many of you folks can actually build it. Till the time, I'll just see if there are any issues. Like if you do not understand what we are like working around, this is how No Light mini event works. You just need to make a replica of this google.com website, and without the help of any other internet resource available, just in the code editor, and you will be good to go. As simple as that. So but make sure you do not cheat. It's the first like a fun part. Mini event, this No Light mini event is all about how well you can like understand those basic, you can say, we used to discuss a lot about tags, right? When we used to write HTML tags, it can be H1 tag, S2 tag, S3 tag. Then we have a link tag, a tag, and tons of tags such as paragraph tag, then button tag, and a lot of things. So this is your time to understand how you can just remember them, apply them, and make the replica of this. As simple as that. And let's see like which of you folks can actually make the most accurate to it. So like the time has already started. You can just hop in if you have any doubt. If you have just hopped in now to the stream, you can let me know. And yep, we will be seeing which one of you folks can actually make it to the most accurate one. Till the time, I can check on other websites that we can see, like we can work on. Just give me a second. I hope the stream is clearly visible. There is no issues. And all the folks who have started the challenge, your time has already started. You just have 7 more minutes to make the replica of google.com. So till the time, I can just see on what we are doing. Okay, this is good. This is good. Hmm. Okay, this website also looks good. Folks, your time is already on. Make sure you just work on making the replica of this website. And yep, we should be good to go. I can see already Nishu asked, then it was Insha, and then our favorite Smiley Bun, who asked that I guess you folks are already participating. So I'll be just looking out for your submissions too. And like you can also tell how your weekend is going up. It's already Sunday, I guess. We are almost into near of a weekend, so make sure you have a good time because things will be back to normal from tomorrow. You will be going to your colleges and schools. Oh, you're moving in bus right now. Okay. It's okay then. I guess you will not be able to submit it. But yep, you can try it any other day in that particular code editor. How to make a Google website without the help of any other thing. I'll be very honest here. For the first time when I did a No Light mini event, I was a participant, and I still remember that I was in my first year and we were learning HTML tags. I guess this is the curriculum of every other college in computer science. You learn about HTML tag, writing code in CSS, how these things work. And I participated it at that particular point of time, and I was like, okay, I was able to create almost a duplicate google.com website. So yep, I hope like if you remember your HTML tags, if you have worked them in the school, I guess that thing works too. And if you like might be thinking that who is this particular person who is just talking all around, so I am Vinayak Rawat. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. You can find me organizing hackathons, and like participating in them, meeting folks, meeting hackers. So that will be a short introduction about myself. there is an app where you can write code offline. Oh, I guess there is an app that saves your progress, and even Google is also working on a similar application where you can actually save your progress even in the offline mode. And the next time you come online, it will automatically be saved. So I just need to remember that which app was it. Okay, I guess we have only okay. Okay, the app you're talking about is in Code Editor. Okay, I'm not aware of about this, but I have also heard a news somewhere that Google might be coming up with it. Yep. Like for working, like for certain applications to come on iOS, it takes a long period of time, I guess, and they need to also pay us some extra kind of fee. So I guess that might be a case. But yep, do you know remember the name, like about that Code Editor, so that I can also go through it once? I can even check on the internet. And all the folks who are participating, you only have 3 more minutes. Okay, I can see a lot of submissions here. Hmm, good to go, folks. The last 2 minutes for all the folks who are working on this submissions. I'll take up the submissions in next 2 minutes for this Google.com website before we actually move on to another website. Okay, I can check on. Okay, things looks good. Hmm. Oh, Zenil, actually, we are conducting. Okay, just click on this. Someone just asked that how to submit. Click on this. Like you can see this light, no light, exclamation light thing. Just click on that. It will ask you to submit. As simple as that. Zenil, to answer your question, we are actually working on a mini event that is no light. So no light actually works around. I am displaying a website, right? Google.com, and I've shared a code editor link. So what you need to do is you need to go to that particular code editor and try to make a replica of this website. But the twist part here is you're not allowed to use any other help from internet or any other. You need to remember the tags which you ever use in HTML, CSS, when like it can be an inline CSS and all other things as that. So we are working around it. And Google.com is the first website of the day. We will be going through 2 to 3 some like simple websites that you can like code very easily just on the basis of your remembering of your tags. This is just a mini event. It's more like how you enjoy it. So I guess last 1 minute for all the folks who are participating for this Google.com one, so that we can just like move to our next website for the day. Okay, last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Even if you have like written any somewhat of code, you can just submit it so that I can see what you have written. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll take the first set of submissions now for google.com. Let me see. Okay, I can see a submissions from Sujal Kale. I hope the name is correct, and if I'm mispronouncing the name, I'm so sorry. Okay, I can share the tab instead. I can let make all the folks see. This is prepared by. Uh, mm, Let me check. I just forgot. Okay, this is prepared by Sujal Kale. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, but this is made by him. A simple Google logo at the start, I guess. H1 or H2 heading is used. A submit button. Color looks good, and a submission. Like it's good. I guess you could have ever added like the languages barrier, which we usually have in our Google.com website. As simple as that. So you could have done this. Any other folk who has submitted it but his submission is not visible, Earlier I was able to see some certain submissions, but I'm not able to see it now. So if you have submitted for this, you can let me know. Until then, we can move to our next website. I'll just check on that. But that was a good submission. You try to have a very replica of google.com. Okay, the next website we can go to is, okay, we can go to s- one of my favorite websites for learning. Hmm. Okay, we can do one more thing. We can go to GitHub website. I know this is going to be tough, but let me see if you folks can make it. This is gonna be tough. Can you folks suggest some website? Okay, you have submitted. Let me check it. Uh, dot. Let me check on any submissions. I can't see your submissions actually. Nishu, I can't see your submission. I guess that might be because I've already downloaded it once, but I'm checking it once again. I guess I'm missing it. Like, can you submit once again by going back so that I can download it once again? I guess that is the best way we can actually work now. Hmm. We can go to which website? Uh, we can go to until I'm just going to share the new website which you folks need to like make for this. Okay, I don't know. This is going to be difficult though, but okay, share this tab instead. If you folks can make this, I'm going to share a different link this time for your submissions. Okay, I'm sharing a link in the chat. We will have 10 minutes from now and try to recreate. I know this is super difficult to do, but if you can recreate. Okay, it's showing it's already submitted. Let me check on it once again. I guess then it should be an issue from system. Dot. Let me check if I can only see submissions from Sujal, Nishu. I don't know why. I guess it might be an issue of the system. I don't know that. But you can do this thing. I guess we can move to the next website for now. I can do a research in the back end that if I can find your code. But for now, for all the folks who have opted in, I can just say that I am presenting a screen. I have shared a code editor link, and what you need to do is you just need to go to that particular code editor and you need to try to recreate exactly the same website which is in front of you, right? So you can see a global hack week. uh, you cannot try to make it as organic as it can be, as simple as that, and try to put up submissions. I'll be super happy to even see if you are using h1 h2 h3 tags, if you're remembering them, and how you can actually use them to build it. For images, you can definitely use internet. For example, if you want to download these amazing animations for global hack week, you can download it, and then you can place it in your website. But you should not use bootstrap. I guess that will be against the laws. But yep, for the next round, this link has already been shared in the chat. That is Global Hack Week Social Good G1. This is the link. I am already sharing the website. Your time has already started, the 10-minute marker. And let's see in the next 10 minutes which one of you can actually make the most accurate one. I can till the time I can check on the other websites. But I'm expecting some solutions here, folks, around Global Hack Week so that we can also use them in like the daily streams, I suppose. And like I already asked that, like I guess it's almost the end of weekend. I hope you had a good weekend. Holi was around the corner, and like I hope you had a great Holi and a good time with family, eating sweets. I definitely had a good time. Now I'm back to my college. But moving back, like to a mini event. The site is already shared. I've already shared the code editor link. Make sure you just go to this particular link and you need to recreate this website. As simple as that. And your time has already started for this. So we'll just see how many of you will be actually making submissions for this one. Hmm. You can try to make it as similar to what it is here. Global Hack Week. You can download this from the website as save image as, and you can paste it as it is as the code. You can use ahref for the help and h the p tag for this. And yep, you need to just make this one like this is already live because we are streaming live, so it's showing live. As simple as that. And I can see a lot of other submissions too. Your folks, your time has already started. I'll just see for all the submissions which have been done till now. Okay. I can see certain submissions till now. I can expect a lot of folks to hop in already. You have 5 minutes from now to make a replica of this website. I have already shared the code editor link in the chat, so make sure you just go through it. I hope the light is good, focusing on me. And if you want to share something that you want to know your other folks mate to know about, you can just share in the chat. Like, what is your favorite stream? How things have been till now at Global Hack Week, Social Good Week. We'll be super happy to discover all those certain things. Till that time, I'll just see if we had any submissions or not. Hmm. Oh, this have a UT logo icon. I was just checking that whose was pre-submitted already in the system. But if I tell about myself, I do have exams from tomorrow. It's internal exams. I'll be studying for it. I guess just after this stream. So yeah, things are going good. If you are having exams or any other sort of things you want to share, you feel free. This stage is completely open for you folks to share your insights, how things have been for you during this weekend. And yeah, things should be good to go. Till the time, I'll just check how things are going on other hand too with the submissions part. But you have last 3 minutes for your submission, folks. Already only the last 3 minutes for all the folks who are doing it. Till the time, I can just check on if we can do something similar or what we have done earlier. Okay, things looks good here. Okay, we have already got two submissions, folks. The last 2 minutes have already started. If you want to submit your code, you can just submit it. And yep, that will be good to go. I can see submissions. Let me check. Folks, the last minute has started. Folks, the last minute has started. If you haven't submitted, submit it just now. I'm just going to take submissions in the next 60 seconds. And I guess I can give you folks a little bit of time so that I can just grab my water bottle. Hey folks, I'm back. The time is already over. If you haven't submitted, submit it just now. I'm going to take submissions in the next 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds, folks, if you have written the code for this particular website so that we can take up the submissions. And if you want to play any other mini event, feel free to do so. We can do that also. For all the folks who are in the chat, if like submissions are not happening, we can also go for Wikipedia races. That can work too. But okay, the last 10 seconds for the submissions for this website: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm taking the submissions for this, folks. The time is over. Okay, I can see three submissions, but I guess there is some issues with the site of no light. I can check on that. But I guess if there is an issue with no light, we can do one more thing. We can play wiki races. Any one of you have an idea how we play Wikipedia races? Like anyone in the chat. This is a super fun event. What we work around the wiki races. I'll just wait for the site to open. Okay, let me check. Okay, the screen is visible. Let me log in. Okay, can I just log in? I just need to go back. Yep, Nishu has already said that you need to go to wiki.group. I guess I'm already being there. Uh, I'll just switch to your private group. Let me go to the website. Let me share the screen. This is how we play wiki races. Yep, create a custom game and add something word and the ending word. So, for example, if we started with train and our goal is Vande Bharat Express, right? So the game will open train Wikipedia base first, and then we will be moving with to Vande. Like we need to search down the whole Wikipedia page and click on multiple links so that we can actually land up on Vande Bharat Express Wikipedia page. So this is how things are gonna work. Okay, we are back. So, do you have any words to suggest? I guess, I can go since one of my favorite players have hit a century today. So, let's go with cricket and we can go with Virat Kohli. We can create it. Okay, okay, I need to add you folks. So, group invite link, Control C. Okay, once again, Control C. Folks, I'm sharing a link in the chat. Make sure you just hop into the game. Wikipedia races. This is a super simple game. I am once again going to tell. For example, the game will open with cricket Wikipedia page, and our intention will be to go to Virat Kohli Wikipedia page through that link. So I'm just gonna give you folks 30 seconds to just hop into the link so that we can start. You will have 120 seconds to find out the way so that you can reach to Virat Kohli Wikipedia page from cricket Wikipedia page. You need to just go and okay, I can do this thing. I can just help you folks do it for one time. So, for example, I've started the round, right? So I'll click on. I'll just go through this, and if I'll just check, okay, pitch, bats, Indian Cricket Council. These are the countries. I guess I should find India for this. After that, okay, there is a tons of things, but I can do one thing. I can just go to table of contents. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I need to find it. I guess anyone. If we can find it, uh, captains we can go, and then if we can find Indian captain, okay, we are able to find Virat. As simple as that. So this is how this game usually works, Wikipedia races. So if you guys, I guess someone has already hopped into the game. That is Uptack and Swizzle. That is justification. I can also find another path because the time is already there. So I can go to. Hmm, I can go to. Okay, governance types of math, international competitions, club and school cricket. We can go to international competitions. Then we have Ranji Trophy, National Cricket Championship. Other is village cricket. Okay. I need to check on time though because we already have only have 38 more seconds. You can find the link multiple times through a single link. Okay. Hmm. ICC World Test Championship. I can see. Yeah, India is here. Definitely, it will have Virat Kohli as it's one of his names. Okay, got Virat Kohli, another link. So I hope this game is super simple as it works. I can also find another path, but the time is already over. Okay, I was able to find two paths. So we can do one more thing. We can play one more game. We can go from okay. We can go to open source if it works. Okay, let it be this way. Hmm, I'm just thinking about a word that will be actually fitting well to this. Okay. Uh, hmm. We can go from water to Bisleri because that is a water brand. I've created the link. This is the link is same. I'm starting the round for water to Bisleri. We can go from GitHub to MLS for the next round. Okay, water to Bisleri. I just want to see how many folks can actually find water to Bisleri because this is going to be fun. To be very honest, I can only see myself. Uh, if you want the link, just let me know. I'll just share it with you. I can only see myself, folks. If you want the link, just let me know. I've already started water to Bisleri round. Okay, water to Bisleri. Hmm. Okay, I need to think which thing it can work with. So sorry for the background noise. Just have a wedding in my area. Super common. Okay. Even I can't find water to Bisleri. That sounds tough. Hmm. So we can go to human uses, agriculture for drinking. We can have. I need to think which it can be. This is a tough one. Water to Bisleri. Actually, it should be here because it should be in drinking. Uh, hmm. Can we go to this water intoxication? Okay, Sujal has already find it once. That's super cool. Hmm. I guess Uptark has already also done once. It's just me who is not able to find it. Yep, it's super tough. I guess I'll not be able to find it. It will be just Sujal and Uptark with this. This was tough. We can go to GitHub to MLH if that GitHub to Major League hacking if if it's there. Yep, that is the problem, that MLS is not there. Like MLS do have a I guess Wikipedia page, but it's not here. Even when I write just MLH, okay, I can't find it. It's more like, so yeah, that will be difficult. We can do GitHub to open source, very simple, and let's see how many of you folks can actually find it. Open source software create. Okay, GitHub to open source software. That will be it. Like the last one for today. We can start the round. Almost the same link. I hope. Yep, folks, I'm starting for GitHub to open source software. I just need to see how many of you folks can actually find it, including me. So I'll just check. Hmm. Okay, distributed vision, education program. Hmm. Open source, open source. Okay, it should open source. Okay, Nishi is already able to find it. Open source, I got one. I got one. Try to find multiple path, folks. Okay, two paths done, folks. Two paths done. Let me check. Let me check. Open source software. Open source software. That is something tough. I got it two times. Like GitHub to open source software. Hmm. Looks tough. Okay, let me find if I can just get it for one more time. Okay, I can't find another one. I'm just trying to find another one. If I can find it in Digital Ocean, the open source software. Hmm. We still have 40 seconds of time, 45 seconds of time. Open source software. Okay, no, 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 no. Open source software. Okay, another part found, three parts done. We are just playing yes, Elstronic, we are just playing Wikipedia races. We started with no light, but I guess we could play Wikipedia races. We'll start with a like a Wikipedia page of something, and then we'll move to the like, this is how it works. We pick up two words, and first word and the last word. So the game will open first page Wikipedia page, first word, right? And from that word we need to go to the second one Wikipedia page, as simple as that. So yep, we are playing that. Okay, Uptak is here. I'm on the second one. Nisarg on third, and Sujal on fourth. I guess we can go for one more word since Silstronic is here. Okay, we can do. Let me think. Yep, it's the same. Yep, we'll just go with one more thing that we can do, which is also related to ourselves. That is, hmm, do it recognize my name? I hope no. I hope so no. Definitely. So we are going to go with Valorant to video game. How about that? Valorant to video game. I hope this will be fun. This will be the last one for today, folks. I have started the round. You'll have 150 seconds from now. I'll just share the link. I'll just share the link once again for, like, this is the link, folks. As simple as that. Just hop into this one. Okay. Hmm. Let me check. Valorant to video game. Okay. It should have a video game here. Okay, it do not have a Okay, got one. Got one, got one, got one. Let's find another path. Sujal already with four. What the heck? Good one, Sujal. You're already with four. Hmm. We go on this. Okay, another part done. Let's go with Unreal Engine. Video games, video game, video game. We only have 57 seconds. First person shooter. Okay, another one. Another one. Okay, I can find tons and tons of 24 seconds more. Okay, last 10 seconds. Can I find another video game? Video game, video game, video game. Okay, oh, I was about to find another one. Sheesh. Okay, I guess Uptak winning it once again. Sujal on second. Okay, 8 ones. Nisarg with 5. I'll take 4. Shelly with 1. And Shaw with 1. But, folks, for today, I guess that will be it. Thank you so much for hopping in. We started with No Light, but we shifted to Wikipedia races. Both were fun. I hope you had a good time at this mini event. Uh, I guess there are tons of amazing streams coming up. I know it's already day 6. We are moving to the last day of Global Hack Week, surely. But I'm going to see you folks in the stream of today at Global Hack Week again. Till the time, have a great day, folks. See you again. Bye bye.